Good day, everyone, especially to our panelists. We are Group 7 from Grade 11 STEM A St. Mary. We appreciate the opportunity to present our research titled The Awareness of St. Francis of Assisi College Bacoor College Students on Health Insurance. We aim to investigate and understand college students' familiarity with health insurance and contribute valuable insights to the field. In our presentation, we will outline our study's research questions, objectives, methods, data analysis, and participants. I'm Leila Bisunino, together with my co-authors.
Hello, I'm Marcos from Herrera from Group 7.
My name is Triel Olindo.
I'm Maria Jelly Beatriz Albaong.
And I am Maria Lourdes P. Maligro.
The Awareness of St. Francis of Assisi College Bacoor College Students on Health Insurance. Prior to the study's title, it discusses the extent to which college students at St. Francis of Assisi College Bacoor are aware of health insurance, whether or not they are aware of its benefits. The goal of this research is to find out how aware and knowledgeable college students are about health insurance, including its advantages and application to our daily lives.
Are you familiar with health insurance? Health insurance provides a financial safety net against large medical bills due to disease, injury, or treatment, reducing financial hardships for individuals and families who cannot afford out-of-pocket healthcare costs. Are you acquainted with the advantages of having health insurance? Health insurance covers healthcare costs, preventative care, prescription drugs, hospital stays, medical equipment, and mental health services, providing healthier lifestyles and financial stability. Do you agree with the mandatory PhilHealth ID as part of admission policy for college students at SFAC Bacoor? It can be dependable, as the PhilHealth ID functions as both a confirmation of membership and the means of accessing healthcare services. What are your suggestions for the awareness of college students on the necessity of having health insurance? To understand health insurance's importance, consider past medical procedures, long-time issues, and factors affecting healthcare. Compare insurance plans, places, deductibles, coverage, and extra benefits, and compare premiums against potential medical expenses.
This study's primary objective is to evaluate SPAC Bacoor College students' prior knowledge and familiarity with health insurance. Number 1. To understand the familiarity of college students regarding health insurance. This research aims to ascertain college students' knowledge of health insurance. In this study, we will be able to examine the participants' fundamental knowledge or lack thereof. Additionally, we will be able to determine the majority of their knowledge sources. Second, to explore college students' familiarity with the benefits and advantages associated with having health insurance, with a focus on their perceptions of its value and utility. This study intends to educate college students on the value of health insurance for both present and future use, while exploring their perspective regarding health insurance, which would be beneficial for these studies. Understanding the subject is essential in determining the significance of health insurance, particularly in terms of finances. Third, to investigate the attitudes and opinions of college students regarding the inclusion of a mandatory PhilHealth ID as part of their admission policy at St. Francis of Assisi College, Bacoor, including their reasons for agreement and disagreement. This study aims to determine the reasons behind college students' agreement or disagreement with the requirement of having health insurance. Number 4, and last, to gather valuable recommendations and insight from college students on effective strategies and initiatives for raising awareness among their peers about the importance of having health insurance. In this study, the researchers aim to establish an effective way of increasing college students' awareness regarding health insurance by collecting valuable suggestions from college students themselves. Through this process, we will be able to evaluate the potential hindrances that stop the students from obtaining the necessary information and health insurance itself.
According to the methodology of our study, how are we going to conduct the interview? Who are the participants where is it held, and when. The researchers are obliged to conduct an interview as part of the study. 20 random college students are selected as participants in a simple random sampling manner. Only with the approval of the St. Francis of Assisi College administration can this be carried out exclusively inside the boundaries of the Bacoor campus.
What method is used in qualitative analysis? In vivo coding. What is in vivo coding and where it comes from? In vivo coding allows the researchers to search the specific context and also identify the various perspective viewpoints and attitude expressed by the participants. According to Manning 2017, in vivo coding is described as a new form of qualitative data analysis that indicates the actual spoken word of the participants. In vivo is a method by researchers to gain a deep understanding of the insights and perspective of the research participants, especially useful in qualitative research, where the objective is to reveal the human experience and precisely represent the voices of the participants. It is a participant's own word to summarize and label the text. Researchers aim at participants' own words by their experience to capture the essentials of the data. This helps to ensure that the data analysis stays strongly related to the participants' opinions gathered by their experience.
The issue of health insurance reveals similar goals throughout multiple studies. Health insurance is a great strategy used in many countries to fund medical expenses. Ho 2015. Kagan 2023 defines health insurance as an agreement between a corporation and a consumer. PhilHealth is the major health insurance provider in the Philippines. It is a government-owned organization that was established to provide health coverage to everyone. Filipino citizens are automatically eligible for health insurance coverage. However, in order to use them, you must first register. Fabula 2023. Having well-secured healthcare will provide students and their parents peace of mind, allowing them to thrive and focus on their lives and studies. Tacor 2023. We thank you for your time and attention.